Welcome to EraTechs. Today I will show you a step-by-step guide on how you can quickly create a 3D book mockup for your KDP. A 3D book cover mockup is a digital representation of a book cover that simulates the appearance of a physical book. It helps visualize how a cover design will look in 3 dimensions, providing a realistic and professional appearance. These mockups are commonly used by authors, publishers, and more. Please hit the subscribe button as we begin. Step 1. Quickly log on to diybookcovers.com/3dmockups. You can find the link in my description. Open it directly with a click. Once you are here, select the template you want and hit Next. Next, upload your book cover image file for your design. Also upload the spine, if needed, based on the template you selected. Now, download your 3D image as a JPG or transparent PNG if you want to change the background later. Open to see the 3D book cover mockup. This is the transparent PNG file. And this is the JPEG file we have downloaded. Let's try other templates with the spine. To quickly design and upload a book cover for your KDP, follow my next video, or find the link in the description. This is the 3D book mockup with the spine. You can follow the same steps to download any other cover template here for free.
Thank you for watching this video, and please hit the subscribe button down there and turn on the notification.